Dear students, today I am going to take class 4th mathematics, chapter 1 place value. Place value in 5 digit number. Do you know what is a place value? Yes. Place value is the value of the digit according to the position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundred, thousands and etc. This is a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred. These places will come in the ones period, and thousands and 10,000, these two in thousands period. When you will write in the number, we have to put commas. So after ones period we have to put commas, after thousand periods we have to put commas. When you will write in the words, we have to start from left hand side. What is the first period? Thousand period. Then after, what is the period? Ones period. Let us see one example. First example, write 21,934 in the place value chart. So first we have to make a place value chart for 5 digit number. This is a place value chart. When you will write in the number in the place value chart, we have to start from right hand side. First we have to write the places and periods. That means ones, tens, hundred. These three places in ones period, thousand and 10,000s, these two in thousands period. Now 4 as a ones place, 3 as a tens place, 9 as a hundred place. Next 1 and 2, 1 as a thousands place, 2 as a 10,000s place. So when you will write like a period wise, after ones period we have to put commas, after thousands period we have to put commas. When you will write in the words, we have to start from left hand side. 2 1 2 1 2 1 means what is the period? Thousand period. So 2 1 means 21 thousands. And when you will write in the words tens and ones, we have to write together. 100, it should be separate. So 2 1 21,900. 3 and 4 we have to write together, 34. Now you see in the words 21,900, 34. This is a expanded form. 5, it is in ones place, so we have to do the multiply. 5 as a ones place, so 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 3, it is in tens place, so 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. 9, this is also same 100 place, that's why we have to multiply by 100. 1000, so we have to multiply by 1000. 1 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1002. This is in 10,000 places, so 2 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 20,000. Now you see the expanded form. When you will write the expanded form, we have to start from left hand side. So what is the first value? 20,000 plus 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 5. We have to do the plus. So what is the answer? 21,935. This is another example for place value in 5 digit number. Read the question first. Mark periods in 76,125 and rewrite. And write the place value of each digit. Now you know very well, just you have to start from right hand side. First you write 5, it is in ones place, 2 tens place, 1 hundred place, 6 thousands place, 7 as a 10,000s places. So now let us see place value chart. Directly also we can do. So already I told 5, it is in ones place, we have to multiply by 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 2 as a tens place, so we have to multiply by 10. 1 as a hundred place, so we have to multiply by 100. 6 as a thousands place, so we have to multiply by thousands. 7 as a 10,000s place, so we have to multiply by 10,000s. Now you see, we can write in the words also, in the number also. Now what is the number already I had given? We have to put the commas. I told after ones period we have to put the commas. Ones period, what are the places? Ones, tens, 100. So after 100 place we have to put the commas. So 5 2 1. After 1 we have to put the commas. What are the 1000 period? 6 and 7. So 76,125. In words, 1000 period and 100 is separate, so tens and ones we have to write together. So now you say 76,125. Yes, this is a place value chart. This is a expanded form, already I explained. 5 it is in ones place, so we have to multiply by 1. Finally we have to write the expanded form also. When you will write the expanded form, we have to start from beginning. That means left hand side, what is the first 10,000? So 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. So what is the answer will come? 76,125. Next, place value in 6 digit number. This is also same, but you see the place value chart. In ones period, ones, tens, 100 as usual. Thousands period, 1000 and 10,000s. So we added one thing, because this is a 6 digit number, so lakhs will added in this chart. So lakhs, it is in lakhs period only. Let us see one example. Write 1,0,0,0,0 in the place value chart. That means 1 lakh in the place value chart. As usual, I made place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, thousands and 10,000 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, these 3 in ones period, thousands and 10,000, these 2 in thousands period, lakhs as a lakhs period. Now we have to write from the right hand side. So 0 in ones place is 0. 0 as a tens place, 0 as a 100, 0 as a thousands, and 0 is a 10,000s. So finally 1 as a lakhs places. The number 1,0,0,0,0 is read as, rest of all the numbers you see 0. In thousand places 0, in ones period also 0. Which places is 1 is here? Lakhs. So 1 lakh. Another example. Write the expanded form of 3,98,672. First we have to make a place value chart. So I have written the place values also. 2 as a ones place, 7 as a tens place, 6 100 place, 8 thousands place, 9 10,000s place, 3 it is in lakhs place. So 2 means we have to multiply by 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, because 2 is in ones period. So 7 we have to multiply by 10. So 7 multiplied by 10, 70, 600, 8,000, 9, 10,000. 9 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 90,000, 3 lakh. So expanded form, we have to start from this side. We have to do the plus in all the numbers. So what is the answer? 3,98,672. You see the commas after ones period, ones, tens, 100, these 3 in ones period. So 2, 7, 6 I put after I put commas, then 8 and 9, then after I put commas, then 3 is lakhs period, so 3. Now you see in words also, 3 lakhs, 98. What is the period? Thousands. So 98,000. 6 is a separate, because 100 is a separate value. So 600. Tens and ones we have to say together. 7 to 72. Now I am going to give home assignment related to expanded form. Write the expanded form. Expanded form means first you have to make a place value chart, then you have to write the expanded form. First you see how many digits. First you have to count how many digit numbers are there. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits. So you have to make a place value chart ones period and thousands period. These two only. Finally you have to write the expanded form. This one you see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So this is a 6 digit place value in 6 digit number. So you have to make a place value chart for 6 digit. When you will make a place value chart, finally expanded form, then you have to write in the words also. So you keep it mind, write these questions. Only 5 questions. So please complete and come to the school. You have to do it in your classwork copy. When you will come to the school, I will check your copies. Thank you.